Pre-game. Game 1. Hey. Getting ready for Operation Rio. BOPE, or BOPE for short. Brazilian police. You're gonna get work done, is that right?
I got food. So we're set. That goes in there.
All we need.
We don't need guns. We got food.
Yeah, reason with the civilians, right?
Got this empty couch,
Again. Just finish when we get ready to. We'll go over gear later when we're done. Good for you. Yeah. What the hell?
Sir, yes, Sir, yes,
Yeah. No medic, no medic. What is this? Fancy stuff.
I still gotta give you the camera. I gotta come with me. Let's get out of here. I'm in the building. Why not have a little stage dressing with it?
Okay. Thank you. Stuff to be counted. Thank you, man of medicine. Thank you.
Remember this and don't shoot here! Don't say, let's get out of here! But there are wounded here. I can't just abandon them. No! Hero shit has to stop.